Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Chase Auto loan. Now, applying for this loan is a pretty simple process, and we can do that on the mobile app, or we can do that on the website. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for this loan. Now, going straight into the video, first step is to go to Chase website, or of course the mobile app, and log into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to click on auto finance. Next, you want to select the type of auto loan that you're interested in from the available options, such as a new or used car loan. And once that's done, you just want to get pre-approved for the loan by providing financial information. So you got to put that in to get pre-approved, and once that's all approved, you want to apply for the loan by submitting a loan application. Don't forget to review and sign loan documents to finalize the steps. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a Chase Auto loan. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.